Hello and welcome to this week's edition of OMD TV and Podcast Show, the place to be to grow and scale your practice. Are you looking to boost your patient numbers and take your practice to the next level? Well, you are in a treat today because we're diving into the world of Google Ads and a powerful that could be the game changer if you've been searching for that. I'm Huyền Chuong, the Search Marketing Director of Online Marketing for Doctors. For over a decade, my team and I have been helping hundreds of medical clinics just like yours thrive in the digital landscape. So buckle up and get ready to learn how Google Ads can transform your practice online presence and patient acquisition strategy. Now, let's talk about Google Ads. What exactly are they? Well, think of Google Ads as your practice digital billboard on the world's busiest highway. The internet is an online advertising platform that lets you create targeted ads appearing on Google search results, websites, YouTube, Gmail, and more. When potential patients search for keywords related to your services, your ad can pop up right at the top of the search result. But advances in Google's AI technology can also mean that you can reach prospects in many more places too. But why should you, as a medical practice, care about Google Ads? Let me break this down for you, okay? So first off, it's all about reaching your target audience, right? With Google Ads, you can laser focus your ads on people searching for specific medical conditions or treatments. It's like having a megaphone that only right people can hear. And Google and Meta are the two biggest players in the online advertising space. So getting this right can unlock huge growth opportunities. And secondly, it's a brand awareness booster. The more people see your practice name in their search results, the more familiar and trustworthy you become in their eyes. And third, it's a traffic driver. When people click on your ads, they land on your website where they can learn more about your expertise and hopefully book in an appointment. This is especially important if you are just starting out with SEO, as this SEO process can take at least 6 to 12 months to begin to really bear fruit. And when you need a short-term boost to your website visitors, Google Ads is a great way to achieve that. And let's not forget about improving conversions. By tracking your ads results, you can fine-tune your approach and turn more clicks into actual patients walking through your door, okay? Now, Google Ads isn't just one size fits all. There are different types to suit your specific goals as well. Let's talk about some of the specific ad types available with Google. But the first type is search ads. These are the most popular ad types with Google. You're already familiar with them. They are ads that appear when people search for keywords related to your practice. While these are traditionally text only, Google have introduced new features like image extensions, which include a small photo with your ads. So this is useful for catching user attention and taking up even more real estate at the critical area at the top of search results. Now, to succeed here, you need a strong and viable keyword strategy. These are the words and search phrases that you bid on to trigger your ads. This can be a technical process which involves looking at the competitiveness of a certain keyword, which impacts the cost. Online advertising is all about maximizing your return on investment. So make sure you are targeting the right keywords is critical. On top of that, you need effective ads. These are made up of short headlines, longer description, and lots of other extension options, like having a combination of action-driving call to action headlines, succinct descriptions which talk about your unique selling points and expertise, plus featuring short snippets from reviews is a good strategy. The second type is display ads that show up on the website apps across the Google Display Network, spreading your message far and wide. We find that these are great for retargeting campaigns, which is an ad campaign that show your ads to demographics and location that you want to target, which is also a great way to remind prospects of your clinic and to make sure you're visible if and when potential patients are researching their options. Now, the third type is video ads, which can showcase your practice on YouTube and other video platforms. Perfect for those before and after demonstrations or patient testimonials. YouTube is a great channel because it's got a lot of viewers across both mobile and TV. In fact, in the US, YouTube is the most watched thing on TV during primetime hours. And then there's a new kid on the block, Performance Max. This campaign type is like having a super smart AI assistant. It automatically creates and optimizes ads across multiple channels, including search, display, YouTube, Discover, Gmail, and even Google Maps. It's a real game changer for reaching patients across various platforms efficiently. The impact of Google Ads on medical practices can be truly transformative. We are talking about increased patient acquisition, improved return on investment, and enhanced patient engagement. So by providing valuable information through your ads, you're building trust before patients even step into your office. There's one missing element that we haven't mentioned yet though. That's your landing page. For any campaign, you need a great page for prospects to land on, and your landing page should match the content of your ads. For example, if you are promoting a specific service like FUE hair transplant or a tummy tuck, then your landing page should be about that specific procedure. And you need to make it as easy as possible for your prospects. And for more information about landing pages, check out our last week episode where we did a deep dive into why your clinic needs a great landing page. And on top of that, we've seen great results when our clients have a dedicated social media strategy, which also aligns with their Google Ads campaigns. When it comes to medical procedures, most people won't book immediately after clicking on your ad. They take some time and do their research and before making a decision. And because of this, you need to make sure that your clinic is present and consistent across all of your digital marketing channels. Each touch point helps nurture a first-time web visitor towards being your first-time patient. Now, I know you might be thinking, Huyen, this sounds great, but I'm a doctor and I'm not a digital marketer. And this is exactly why Online Marketing for Doctors is here to help you. We are not just another digital marketing agency. We are specialists in the medical field. We understand the unique challenges and opportunities that face medical practices like yours. And our team has extensive experience with Google Ads, and we're committed to delivering measurable results. And we don't just set up your campaigns and hope for the best. We track, we analyze, we optimize to ensure that you're getting the most bang for your advertising buck. There you have it, folks. Google Ads could be the secret weapon your medical practice needs to reach new heights. If you're ready to harness the power of Google Ads and attract a steady stream of new patients, it's time to take action now. Remember, in the digital age, being visible online isn't just an option. Is a necessity. Don't let your practice get behind while your competitors scoop up all the patients. So if you found this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your colleagues, your staff. And if you are ready to take the next step, book a free 15 minutes discovery call with us. We'd love to show you how we can tailor a Google Ads strategy specifically for your practice. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to your practice success in the digital world. Until next time, this is Huyen Chung signing off. Bye for now.